The Loss of Human Capital and the Rise of Machines. By Dr. Dennis V. Burke. Today, labor-intensive organizations may have an inherent competitive disadvantage. They are now on the path of the dinosaurs, with a business model destined for extinction. The extinction event will not affect automated and AI-driven enterprises because we can trust machines to function as designed when we maintain their operating ecosystem. The companies that rely on automation and technology-driven infrastructure have an absolute advantage. As we advance into the future, access to reliable, committed, and competent labor is shrinking into a smaller and increasingly competitive pool. Based on human behavior, non-participation, and high absenteeism, companies are now forced to develop more reliable machines. These machines will be the substitute for manual and intellectual labor. Soon our society will achieve the tipping point, and the majority of people will be only consumers. The successful enterprise of the future will be one that program and maintain the machines. Such an enterprise will need an educated workforce and must be values-driven. Trust will occupy the nexus of their values map unless we design and develop sentient machines that can evolve and maintain themselves. In either scenario, people who have no meaningful role in the future will face the reality of an abyss and experience the chaos that now marches towards us from the horizon.